Hi dolls, welcome back to Lisanna Does Things, where I cover all things glam and fabulous. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below if you haven't already done so. I am posting this video by popular demand. I have seen so many people in the comments section and via email reach out to me for a PDF copy of this, and I received about 50 to 60 emails, and I just think it's a little bit too much. So I've posted the PDF here. I hope you guys enjoy it and you love it, and this really does help you. If you need a walkthrough video of how to assemble your SLAYSTATIon, including the drawers and the tabletop, go ahead and click on my channel. I have all of the videos posted in that mini series. I'm not sponsored by Impression Vanity, and they definitely don't pay me to send this out. So I'm sorry, I love you guys. I've totally deleted this from my email, so I don't have the PDF copy anymore. But this is where it will live forever. So go ahead and click the subscribe button to join the doll collection. I love you all so much, my little dolls. Until next time.
What you like, we can go all night. We were meant to be. Can't you see? Can't you see? I like what you like. We can go all night. We were meant to be. Can't you see? Can't you see? We were meant to be. Can't you see? Can't you see? I like what you like. We can go all night. Answer phone calls. Don't make a mess. You wanna share? No, you wonder. Did you wonder? Cause someday you can fly away. Oh, yeah, you can fly away. Yeah, 'cause I love her, baby, I don't want. I don't want your love, her, baby, I don't want. You can fly away. Oh, baby, you can fly away. See, I like what you like. We can go all night. We were meant to be. Can't you see? Can't you see? I like what you like. We can go all night.